everyone, welcome back to my channel Super Beauty Desires, and this is Prerna. And as you all know that online purchasing series is going on my channel, so I'm here with one of my haul video, and this haul video is all about my clothing that I purchased from jabong.com. Yes guys, in this video I will show you some of the two dresses that I purchased from jabong.com. So without any further ado, let's get started because this is a very short video. So yeah, what happened to my voice? So yeah, let's get started. So yeah guys, this is the Jabong bag. As you all can see, actually the written paper, address paper is here, so I cannot show you this thing. And the Jabong send their things in this package. So this is the jabong.com poly bag. As you can see, they're not that kind of good packaging that that LimeRoad and Coves.com sent us for their products. So my god, sorry for my voice, it's a little bit of that thing that way. If you want to purchase anything like dresses or some makeup items or any other things from jabong.com, go for it guys, because the service of jabong.com is so awesome. And I would recommend this website for purchasing your clothing haul so much, because I have been through a sizing issue, and they guys, first of all, they guys delivered it to my home within 2 days. They have delivered the product. And if when I send them a query for the sizing issue, they just came to my home and took the product, and then resent it within 4 days. So I just got all the things done in 1 week only. So yeah guys, the service of jabong.com is so awesome, I want to tell you. And then again, the products that I purchased are first dress I want to show you is from stylestreet.com. Style Street. Yeah, I don't know why .com is written over their tag. So yeah, this is the Style Street dress. And this is a very beautiful dress. Tribal print is going on all through the dress. So it is like this, and this is the dress up to knees, up to your knees. So it is very good. And it has one zipper over here also. I want to show you where the zipper gone. Oh my god. Yeah, so this is the zipper inside the dress. So it is very comfy to wear it, and this is a very beautiful dress. I liked it so much, so I just purchased it. So yeah, I want to show it again. So yeah, it goes like this. It's very beautiful comfy dress. And also when lining is given under it, so you can see this lining is given under it, and it is also very cool because lining material is also good. So yeah, it was my first dress that I purchased from jabong.com. Then second dress that I purchased from there is this dress, and it is from Miara brand. So yeah, it is Miara. As you can see, this is Miara. Actually this is size L, so it does not fit me that well because it is little bit of loose. But I do not like the material of this dress, because the material of this dress is not so good. And I will post my picture wearing this dress and that red color dress also. So yeah, this is the dress. Another dress that I purchased from jabong.com. Sorry for my voice guys. So yeah, it has some buttons kind of detailing over here. As you can see, the buttons are given over here. So yeah, it is a dress that has snake print over here. All the snake print is going over all over the dress. As you can see, it is quite comfy in wearing, but the material of this dress I do not like. And the lining is also very light material it has over there in the lining. So yeah, it is another dress that I purchased from jabong.com. So as far as I concerned, with the jabong.com service, it is very good. So go forward to purchase any type of dressing or beauty products, anything that you want to purchase from jabong.com, because the service is very good. So yeah, it was my whole video from jabong.com. Hit like if you enjoyed this video, and please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay tuned. Bye, see ya.